Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel GIS Knowledge Lab. Today I am going to show how to create grid on a image in ArcGIS. For that, at first I will open Arcmap in my laptop. This is the interface of Arcmap. In this map, we click layer view to open our map. Then we open our country shapefile. So we click add button and we select our location of our boundary shapefile. Then we click BGD admin to shapefile. Now our country shapefile showing in this interface. Here we set up the page and create title, text, north arrow from insert menu. How to create text, title, north arrow from insert menu I briefly discuss in my YouTube channel. You must show my video, then it will be clear. In my YouTube channel you saw these two videos, how to create title, text, legend and how to create page setup. If you go these two videos, then it will be clear how to create this one. Now creating a grid on this map, I go to open the maps property. There are a lot of ways to open properties. If I click right button in this map, then property is coming. This one. This is one process. If I go to table of contents, there is layer option. In layer option, if I double click here, then properties also coming. And another way is if I click layers right button and go to properties, then data properties frame also coming. In data frame properties, I click grid menu, then I click new grid button. Here one new dialog box is open. Here we create three types of grids. The first one is graticule, the second one is measured grid and finally reference grids. Anyone you select and create a grid. Here I create graticule, then I select graticule and click next button. Then another window is coming. Here I select appearance and intervals also. In appearance there are three systems. Here I select only level. If you select these two, if you create, but I select only level for appearance and I select the intervals also. That means if I select the longitude and latitude for degree, minute and second, then the interval was coming. So in longitude and latitude I select only degree. That means I select 2 degree. After 2 degree it will be shown in this grid. Then click next button and here you saw the x6 title. So I clicked major division tick also and I click minor division also. Then I click next button. After that another dialog box is coming. By default it is coming. So finally I click next button. Then I click OK. So you saw the grid is coming here. Now I create this grid as possible as better. That's why now I click properties. Then I go to level and at first I change the font style Times New Roman. Then the font size I give 14 and bold also. Then click apply and OK and click apply. You saw our grid number is bigger than previous. Here on problem, the longitude is okay, it is horizontal. The latitude also horizontal, but it shows not good. That's why again I go to the properties and level orientation. I need to change this vertical position to this left side and right side. So I check the level vertically left and right, and I also go to the interval. Here if I select only I showing this degree, then it is visible very good. Then I click OK and click apply. Now you saw it is look very good. So for use this properties button, you will do and you will create and you will change a lot of things. There are lot of tab in here. Every tab you will go and you will change all the properties. Then you will create a good grid in this map. Actually this is the process to create a grid on a map. After creating this grid, then if I save this image, then go to the file and click export map and give the file name and give the folder name also. If I select the location of my folder, then I give the name of my file is map grid English, then click save. After that it will be saved. If I check this, it look like this. Here you saw this is our country boundary shape file. This is the grid. I hope you like my video. Then subscribe my video. Thank you for watching my video.